Beauty's not just about glitz and glam. It's about purpose and passion.
Truly, and what a spectacular night we've all shared together here. Who graced this stage. Each of them embodies the essence of beauty with a purpose.
As this chapter closes, let's keep the momentum alive. Together, let's embrace our roles as ambassadors of change, spreading joy and purpose in every corner of our beautiful country. Once again, I am